Welcome to LiciaToday. So today, my friend wanted me to engrave a Stanley cup for her. Is it your gym?
Yes, my CrossFit gym coach.
Yeah. So this is my first time. So we're just doing this for the first time. So let me show you guys the.
It's a Stanley Starbucks edition. A light blue. 40-ounce cup, stainless steel.
So I'll show you guys the settings once we're done, so you can see the settings. So for this design, it only took 12 minutes, so about 13 minutes. And I'm gonna push OK. So these are the settings. Laser cylindrical. The perimeter was 12.5 for this Stanley cup, and it's on Chuck.
From one of them, that's only one friend.
All right, so the power was on 100 and the speed was on 130 and the passes were just one. And again, it's a Stanley Starbucks cup, light blue. All right, so it's finished. So this is just the top part. She also wants me to do this bottom part as well. So far this is what it looks like before I clean it off. But we're gonna keep it on here to do the bottom so that I can clean it all off at one time. Okay, so we're gonna add the name, and then we wanted the, oh, I didn't even get the height, because the width was 9.5. Name aligned on the tumbler, so I'll show you guys where we're gonna put that. Just gonna double check, so I have to make sure I put the settings in. So 100, at 130 speed, and 12.5. All right, so now we're gonna engrave the name. No, we're not. Look right here, it looks like it is not even. All right, so this is just verifying that the name is gonna go. So we're gonna do the framing to make sure it's in the right spot. It looks like it's still in the good spot. Yeah, it still looks good. So we don't have to really do too much. Okay. So the only thing I want to do though is I want to make sure I double check the distance because it should put it back where it's supposed to be. It did not. No. It's just like tapping. Because I'm going to make sure, okay? You don't want to.
Do you go down?
Looks like it's still going.
Oh, yeah.
Do it one more time. Yeah, it looks good to me. Alright. Okay. Now I'm glad I looked in there because that would have been tragic. Like we did all this work for it not to be.
It would have been cricket?
Yes, like real cricket. Because you saw how it was on.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna double check it before I hit start though. Okay, it looks fine to me this time. Okay, it looks like it's lined up. Alright. Looks like it's gonna do the end first. Alright, we'll get back to you with the finished product. It's looking so good. I was just trying to see how even it is if you slide it. Yeah, I think it looks good. Alright, it's done. Alright. So now I just have to clean it off. All right, so this is the finished product. All right, thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Stay blessed.